Hi, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to deep fry tilapia fish with ginger and garlic. I have about 500 grams of tilapia fish, a little bit of flour, about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic chopped, about 1.5 cup of ginger stripe, some spring onions and cilantro for garnishing, salt. So I'm going to marinate the fish with salt, just to sprinkle. Don't want to put too much salt as body is going to be salty. So and when we salt the fish, you want to also put the salt inside the stomach. Right, so I put some of the ginger inside the fish stomach. Then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the fish, just to coat the fish with flour, so it's easier to fry. Alright, I'm going to leave the fish one side, and then we were going to go ahead and prepare the ginger and the garlic. Oil is hot. I'm going to put in the garlic. Just to fry the garlic until brown. I love garlic. I will put garlic in most of my food. Alright, I'm going to remove the garlic from the oil. Can you hear that thunder? We still have some garlic oil in the pan, and I'm going to add some more oil and fry the ginger. Oil is hot, and I'm going to put in the ginger. We will fry the ginger until crispy. Alright, the ginger is already crispy, and I'm going to remove it from the pan. We use the oil that we fried the garlic and the ginger to fry the fish. So when we can fry the fish, so we get more of the ginger taste. Add some more oil. Can you hear the rain? Oil is very hot, so I'm going to put in the fish. Okay, fish is done, so I'm going to remove it from the pan, and then we can serve. We need to rest it in on the kitchen towel first before we can serve. Nice golden fried fish. So fish is ready. We like to eat it very crispy, so I'm going to sprinkle the garlic on top. And crispy ginger on it. And last is cilantro and some onions. That's it. Crispy fried tilapia with ginger and garlic.